Right, we're little silly billies, you see. We forgot to do an intro for a little thing we did at Muddy Weekender. So we're here at LRO doing an intro for Muddy Weekender. Basically, we got a couple of people together, mainly couples that are in relationships and sometimes not couples in relationships. And we did a fun little game of Mr. and Mrs. to see how well they actually know each other. So tune in for this video, it's an absolute cracker.
I'm going to explain what we're going to do. Right, we've got some Mr. and Mrs. questions. You've literally just got to answer which one of you is most likely to do these things, okay? So literally, when you've got the answer, just show it towards the camera, okay, and we'll see how many matches you get, okay? Question number 1, who makes the best brew?
Oh, match
number 1.
Although there was a hesitation from Becca.
This one's going to be an interesting one. Who swears the most?
Oh, not a match.
I'm surprised. Who is most... This is going to be a good one as well, I think. Who is more likely to make impulse purchases?
There was no hesitation.
That was a foregone conclusion what that was going to be. Who is the grumpiest?
Oh, not a match.
That's quite nice.
Yeah, you voted for yourselves, which I think that's a good thing, right? Who is more forgetful?
Oh, match.
Are you counting the matches?
No, of course not. But I can do it in edit.
Okay, that's fine then. Who is most likely to get lost? Ooh.
Match.
Hesitation, but a
I
match.
used to be a truck driver, I've got no car. I can't win.
Who's most likely to put the wrong fuel in the car?
Oh, match.
Hesitation, but match. Who takes the most time in the bathroom?
Match.
That's my time.
It's the beard, isn't it? You have to oil it and brush it.
It's the only time away from it you get.
Everyone needs their personal space. Who's most likely to make friends with a stranger? No hesitation there at all. Who has the cleanest car?
Match.
Match. This is going to be a good one. Who's always right?
Oh, match.
Match with the right answer as well there.
I've been married 3 years.
Although, did you see Ollie just hesitate for a
Yeah, just a
moment?
brief second. And then final question, who's the most adventurous?
Oh, that's really tough.
Oh,
Oh.
oh, oh, not a match.
Right, we've got our next contestant for our Mr. and Mrs. Right, let's just confirm, who's Mr, who's Mrs?
Guess.
Mrs, Mr.
Am I Mr. or Mrs.?
You're Mrs.
Oh, I don't mind.
Okay. Well,
I'll go and put my dress on.
it's a weekend after all.
Yeah, that's it, yeah.
Are we ready?
Yes. Yes.
Yep. Who's the better driver?
Oh,
Oh, that's
Waiting.
not hesitation.
waiting.
Yeah.
Oh, we got a match.
Sweet. Punches me now, you cheeky bastard.
I'm waiting for the leg.
That's it, yeah.
Not that I've been a driving examiner or anything. You know,
That's it, yeah, that is.
Oh gosh, we're getting proper now.
I was
aren't
trained to
we?
be a driving instructor.
Did you?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Oh, look.
Right, okay.
These
Carry on.
couples, they're
There
learning
we go,
things.
yeah.
I like you even more. Right, go on then.
Who has the shortest temper?
Waiting.
No hesitation.
Oh, we got a
It's
match.
Who is most competitive?
Match.
Match.
This is a very compatible couple.
It is a very compatible couple. You learn something new, don't you? Who has the best dress sense?
Dress sense.
Dress sense.
Oh, not a match.
I think that's because we sort of agree. If you know what I mean. Does that make sense? You think it's, yeah, we're both saying we're, yeah.
Agree to disagree. It
That's
has to
it,
be
yeah.
done, doesn't it? Who's the bad influence?
Not a
Not
match.
Interesting, they voted for themselves though. Isn't
Yes.
it? Who has the most bad habits?
Oh.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh.
I don't know what bad habits you've got, so I'll say me.
I'm going to go like that.
No. Like that 50-50.
Adrian, why do you say it out loud?
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, why do I say it out loud?
Who swears the most?
Oh, that was instant.
Oh, instant.
Oh, we got a
We've
match.
got another match. Who's the grumpiest?
Oh, that was quick.
Oh,
We got a
no
match.
hesitation there in a match. Who's most likely to get lost?
Oh, we got a match.
Bit of hesitation, but a match. Who is most likely to put the wrong fuel in the car?
Oh, that was quick.
That was quick from Steve.
Oh, we got a
We've
match.
got a match.
Are you pushing again?
He's getting food on. He's getting really into this.
Yeah.
This is a really compatible couple.
Very.
Yeah,
I'll
well.
live with that.
Two tops is Adrian, one is.
Yeah, but just stop tapping me arse.
Just want to do it.
This is turning into a different video.
Very much so.
Who's most likely, can't speak, to make friends with a stranger?
We got a match.
Match with a bit of. Who has the cleanest car?
Oh, we don't have a match.
If you look at the book of it.
Final question. Who is always right?
It's not a match.
It's only, but on something like that, you know, if you know it's not you, you say, do you know what I mean?
Right, we have our next victim. Sorry, contestant.
Always a victim.
We're actually doing a game of Mr. and Mrs., but obviously we're going to change it to father and son.
I was going
Because
to
you're
say.
not a Mr. and Mrs. I'm aware of that. Don't worry, I'm not confused.
I don't know. I mean, he's still up for election at the moment. Whether he's going to change or not.
First question: who is the better driver?
Match.
I know that one. You know.
But I can't drive.
Can't throw it in there, you know. Who has the shorter temper?
Oh, match.
Oh, it's another match. Who is most competitive?
Oh.
50-50
Which one are we
there.
going for?
Oh,
Not a
not a
match.
match. Who has the best dress sense?
All dress sense.
Oh, almost.
Best style. We have a match.
We have a match. Who's the bad influence?
We have a
Oh,
match.
I thought that'd be the other way around. Of course. Who is most addicted to their phone? Oh, it's
Match.
another match.
But not really. I'm not as bad.
Are you sure about that?
Yes.
You protest too much. Who has most bad habits?
Match.
Oh, it's a match. Who's the messiest?
Oh, we're thinking. Not a match.
Who swears the most?
Oh, that was quick, but not a
Quick
match.
and not a match. Who's the grumpiest?
Oh, very quick and a
Very
match.
quick match. Who's most likely to get lost?
Not a
Not a
match.
Who takes most time in the bathroom?
Match.
Who's most likely to make friends with a stranger?
Match.
I don't know people.
I completely agree, to be fair. Final question. Who is always right? Oh, it's fall down.
Not a match.
That was quite a lot of matches, actually. That was quite a lot of matches. We've got some Mr. and Mrs. questions for you. Right, who's going to be the Mrs.?
Oh, definitely Tom.
Well, that works quite well.
I'm sorry, whose car's broken? And?
Okay, Tom's the Mrs., Scott's the Mr. Who's the better driver?
Not a match.
I can't see. Oh, there we go. Oh, not a match, indeed.
Sorry, how's that sign in good that, you hit? How's that wall in?
No, we're already in a domestic. We're not even a couple.
And the hedge in Wales. Touche.
Leave the hedges out of this. Who has the shortest temper?
Match.
Oh, that is a match. Who has the best dress sense? Ooh.
Not a match.
Who's the bad influence?
Not a match.
Who has the most bad habits?
Oh, not a
Oh,
match.
not a match again. Who swears the most?
Hey, match.
Hold it upside down then. Who's grumpiest?
Match.
Who's most likely to get lost?
Match.
Who's most likely to put the wrong fuel in the car?
Not a
Not a
match.
Who's most likely to make friends with a stranger?
Oh, Oh, not a match.
This isn't a very good couple, is it?
No.
People need to rethink their marriages.
Their relationship is a bit questionable.
Right? Who's always right?
Oh, not
Not a match? That's a shock, isn't it?
Isn't it?
I do say opposites attract.
Well, yeah, that's a very good point. Who's most adventurous? Right, put down.
Match.
Bonus question. Who broke their car this morning?
Match.
I had to throw it in there. Thanks. We've got our guinea pigs for our new to us game. We're going to be doing some Mr. and Mrs. questions. I know you're not actually married yet, but you get the idea. First question, who is the better driver?
Oh, we've got a match.
We've got a match. Who's more outgoing? Oh, another match. Who has the shortest temper? There was no hesitation from Ben with that one, especially. Who is the most competitive?
Oh, match.
Is that 4 matches?
Yeah, I think so.
Wow. Who has the best dress sense? 5.
Oh, 5 out of 5.
I did not expect this. Who wears the trousers?
Oh, match.
Who's the bad influence?
Oh, yeah.
Bit of hesitation from Katie there. Who's the most organised? I wouldn't have expected any less with that one, I must have.
Thank you.
And who is most addicted to their phone?
Oh,
Well, actually, no, in all fairness. Yeah.
Who has the most bad habits? How are we getting so many matches? Who's the messiest?
I already know. I'm going to compromise.
And then the final one is who's the better cook?
Oh.
Literally, full house. Every single one was a match. Brilliant. Right, I'm going to give you that one.
Steve?
Give you that one.
Back to back.
Are you getting the idea yet?
No, clue.
That's
Oh,
your
you
name.
just told
If, that,
you.
if it's not
Oh,
correct.
right, okay.
Yeah.
Am I Adrian or am I Steve?
Well,
You could be.
you can be
What
whoever
we
you
agreed
want
to
to
as well,
be.
the clue I knew, yeah.
This is what makes this even better, the fact that you literally have no idea. Oh, sorry, I've got the cards the wrong way round, so I can't even read
Alright,
them.
what's that then?
So I'm hoping that's kind of somewhere.
And this way, make sure we get a message.
Hoping it's over there.
So are we doing that?
Car is upside down.
Yeah, you'll be holding them basically towards... I've
Just hold-
the wrong way round, haven't I? That kind of works actually, doesn't it? Yeah.
Perfect.
I've been a genius without realising I've been a genius.
Yeah, you put one like that and that.
Yeah, I know.
So I have to switch mine.
That was how I've been doing all of them, and then yeah, whatever.
What one?
I can't be perfect all the time. I love you the way you're just parading a caterpillar around. Oh God, so cute. What are you doing? I'm literally nearly falling over a dog now. Doggy cam.
Because I was this.
What do you got? What do you got?